Hilong took a big hit to their stock price in April 2024, as you can see right here. In this video, I'm going to tell you if Hilong is still a smart investment based on some analysis that you might find interesting. So what exactly is Hilong? Well, Hilong is a Chinese oilfield services company that's based out of Shanghai, and it's known for its drilling technology. Here are the three reasons for this massive drop that I just showed you. So as you can see, first of all, there was a delay in the publication of their annual results announcement for the year 2023. Secondly, there was a postponement of board meeting. And third, there was a possible suspension of trading. So these three reasons combined are what caused the stock price to drop so sharply. But don't worry, as long as you don't invest a large portion of your investments into Hilong, then you should probably be okay. Now, if you prefer to invest in companies like this, then you're likely an asymmetric investor. So asymmetric just means that it's not high risk, high reward, or low risk, low reward. Rather, it's high risk, low reward, or low risk, high reward. So ideally what you want here is a small amount of risk, but a lot of potential upside. And so if you can keep repeating that, you can make a lot of money. For example, Bitcoin is not asymmetric because it's high risk, high reward, whereas Hilong is asymmetric because it's high reward and low risk because of the three reasons I mentioned earlier. If you want to stay up to date with the best investing opportunities based on asymmetry, then you should check out the investing newsletter that I learned all of this from. So this is the insider newsletter from a company called Capitalist Exploits, and this is the newsletter that I use to learn about all sorts of really low-key stocks that provide a lot of asymmetry, so very low risk but high potential reward. This is just a quick example of one of their newsletters and what it looks like. So they have all the sorts of information in their newsletters, and they've got images and they've got information. They include links and references to show you where they got their research from. It's really interesting to learn from it. It's not boring either. They keep it pretty interesting and fun. Really solid analysis as well. So it's not just fluff. A lot of newsletters will just give you very general information that you can just find from ChatGPT, but not with the insider newsletter. These guys are hardcore. The guy who actually writes it is Chris McFadden, and he really knows what he's doing. And they usually have a little bit of humor at the end as well. It's a very high quality investing service, and if you like honest, no BS investing tips and guidance, then I can basically guarantee that you're gonna love the Insider. If you actually look on their company's their ratings, their Trustpilot score, you can see that they have a 4.9, which is excellent, with over 440 reviews. It is a verified company, and they almost all 5 stars, just a few 4 stars, and almost nothing below it. So it's a great company, lots of new reviews as recent as just a few hours ago as well. You're going to get professional investment ideas delivered straight to your inbox, and so you can see they have rational analysis, they include charts and graphs. People have lots of nice things to say about them, and the guys behind them are actually professional money managers. So they actually have their own investment firm called Glenorchy Capital, and they've worked at top companies like JP Morgan, Lehman Brothers, and Invesco. If you actually try it out, you're going to get regular stock ideas, just like the one that I mentioned in this video. You're going to get access to their idea database, so all the different oil and gas stocks that they've ever listed, companies that most people haven't heard of, but there's a lot of opportunity to make money with. You're going to get that along with rational analysis. You're also going to get a 5-part video series where they take you through their entire investment process, like how they pick stocks, how they manage portfolios, how they decide when to sell something, and everything you need to make use of the service the way that it was intended. You're going to get lots of guidance as well, but what you're not going to get is advertising of other services like unicorn stock picks that go nowhere. They're not going to spam your email with like random crypto or some garbage that doesn't actually work. You get all of this for just $1 for a 30-day trial. You can cancel at any time if you don't like it, but I think the value is absolutely insane, and it's definitely worth trying out. Use the link in the description to take advantage of the 30-day trial for just $1, and thank me later.